Hello, folks. I hope you are all doing well. These are testing times. This unprecedented. None of us have ever seen something like this or will ever see again in our lifetime. Corona infection, which came in the late part of the 2019, is ongoing, and there is a tsunami of cases with Corona 2.0. The second wave of Corona has hit India now. And you may be wondering what went wrong. Did we not do anything right? We did many things right, but the virus does not know that. The two things that happened. One, after the first wave, when we had a lockdown, when we isolated ourselves, when we wore masks and made sure that there was no person to person viral spread, we brought it under control. And now, in the meantime, the virus never remains the same. It undergoes a change called as mutation. A mutant virus is nothing like the previous form. Whatever vaccines that you have for a previous form may not completely cover a mutant virus. So, what has hit Bombay, Delhi is a mutant virus, and we don't know whether it is prevalent in Bangalore, but that is number one reason. And if you remember, during the COVID first wave, the infection itself was not big, but the fear was very big. We were very worried to remove the masks, and the infection did not take a big proportion. We thought that was the biggest we would see. Looking at what is happening now, that infection was one fourth of what we are experiencing now. But what about the fear? Infection is this much, but the fear is only this much. The most important negligence that caused the second wave probably is lack of COVID appropriate behavior. We have got fed up of people telling wear the mask, wash the hands, maintain social distancing, but you can't afford to get fed up. That's the only way we can prevent. After the first wave, we doctors have understood how to manage them in the intensive care, how to manage them in the ward, how to isolate them at home, home quarantine, etc. But the knowledge of coronavirus, if it's this much, we only know this much. That's the slice of the pie that we know. We can't do anything about it much because the human race studies diseases over many years to understand completely. Here, we had to hit the road running. There was no way we could sit and go to the lab and do tests because it was affecting people. Even now, the only way we can prevent the spread of infection is same thing. Maintain distance. Sanitize your hands as frequently as possible. Most important is mask etiquette. There is no point in wearing the mask below the nose. We breathe through the nose. Nose is connected to the respiratory passage. I am surprised how people cannot understand that. If you see someone not wearing the mask, ensure that they wear the mask. I am not wearing the mask because I have ensured there is nobody 6 feet around me. That's okay. But if you are in a group, if you are in unknown group, please ensure that you wear your mask. This too shall pass, but we must pull up our socks and be ready for an even enhanced attack by the virus. But we will win over it. But for that, please maintain the same etiquettes. I will repeat, even at the cost of repetition. Number one, wear your mask properly. Number two, sanitize your hands, wash your hands, bathe, be clean. Number three, don't go out of your house if it is not required. If you have to, maintain distance while wearing the mask. I pray God that He gives us all of us sense enough to prevent the spread of virus. And the vaccine is there. Now the government has made it available for all of us. All adults in India are going to make. Please remember, Indian vaccines are very good. We are the leaders of vaccine for the world, if you did not know. Many of the eradications have happened because of the Indian vaccine. Please respect our vaccine, take vaccination, shun vaccination hesitancy. I have taken 2 doses and I'm perfectly all right, and I have got that confidence. Even then, even I should wear the mask. So, the fourth etiquette that I would say is first stand in the queue for a vaccination, get your first dose, a month or two later, the second dose. That is going to protect us all. My dear friends, my final appeal to all of you is stay safe amidst this surge. That's the only thing that's going to protect us.